It's me, Tristan. So I'll be making slime with Filipino ingredients again. So I'm using some liquid detergent. I'm out of Ariel, so I'm using Tide. So glue, you can also use. Look at what's the difference, guys. Look at the difference. So we need some colors. Maybe just pink. Red's gonna do, and then some will be attached. So first, just start washing my container. So I'm just gonna wait for her. Okay, guys, she's trying. Okay, it's already dry. No, I'll do it because
Color.
yes.
Oh man, I don't.
Okay, let's add 2 pumps of this. So I'm gonna make jiggly slime. I'm gonna try to make jiggly slime.
Can I make slime too?
Oh, I added too much. So much.
Do we gotta pause it?
No. So I have your water. I'm just gonna add.
Borax.
No, it's water. Something to mix with. But I thought it was jiggly slime, guys. This is my first time creating jiggly slime.
Can I make jiggly slime?
We have lots and lots of activator because we only have a little bit more. Look, I just scraped it.
It's all
Can
done.
you keep on doing this? Because there's. Can you just hold that? Okay, it's making jiggly slime, guys.
Can I make jiggly slime?
No way.
Oh man. A little.
Just hold it. It's like water. It's like it's all water. To that.
It was glitter.
And who wanted to add the coloring?
That's okay. Yep. Can I mix?
No.
Do it like now for everything.
Can I even do that and then just make it slime? Oh no, the water didn't mix slime. It's a fail. One thing fail. I just need borax there. Okay, I'm gonna make borax. Okay, and then this is.
I think this is just.
Mix it, please.
This is not fail. I saw a slime. We need 10 minutes or I don't know what thing. Right, sister? We need 10 minutes or I don't know.
Yes. Freeze it.
Slime, please.
Yeah. The borax. I think. And no pepper. So I didn't make it. And use.
I think that's a fail.
Yep, it's a really fail. It's kind of slimy. Hey, can you turn off the lights, please?
Okay. Wait, you already started? I thought you didn't start.
So, okay, this time let's use borax.
Hey, there's still a little bit of water.
No, wait. This is slime, a little bit of slime. So just do that and then get the water out. And then please stop it. Oh, no, I have a little bit more of this. have this bandage because of
Glue.
okay, add some glue. Let me do it. Let me make slime.
I'm gonna open this.
Yep. I know. Okay, yeah. Because you already opened it. No, stop.
There, that's it.
We have a little bit more.
I know. I'm just gonna watch
Okay, just add some
Hey,
more.
don't touch this. I'm gonna make my own.
No, this is still a testing.
You just get it. By the way, let me mix.
We're gonna try and if it's really gonna work for X and you.
If
For us.
she was.
It didn't work. It didn't work, I promise.
I think she was just lying.
Yes.
Liars.
Goes to hell.
Let's just go back to the room. Yeah, let's see if this works. Yep, it's a fail.
Wash it.
She lied. Liar. Nerd. By the way, what are you gonna do with this little blue stuff? Guess what?
So guys, it didn't work because I added too much glue. And I only have a little bit of glue. Ah, my fingers. Oh, what I didn't, you tell me you didn't close this much. Okay, I think I can double my slime. Tomorrow I'm gonna make a video. I'll double my slime. So, bye guys.